Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we can create PDF files with Python. There is a library called Report Lab in Python, using which we can create PDF files very easily. Okay, so for that, first let's install Report Lab. The command is pretty straightforward. Let me paste it here. This one, pip install Report Lab. It will take a while to install this package, and it's done. And after installing this package, let's import a canvas from this report library. For that, from report lab.pdf gen import canvas. So this is the object that we need to import. After that, let's create an object of it, dot capital N canvas. And here we need to pass the file name, whatever the file name that you want to give. Let me give hello.pdf. And after that, using this object that we have created in line number 4, let's draw the string. So draw string means exactly the content that you want to write to this PDF file that we need to pass here. Let me give the dimensions of this particular file, and after that the content. Hello world, welcome to report lab. So finally, let's save this file. And that's all, guys. Only 3 lines of code. And let me run this program. Python and PDF gen. Okay, so we have error here. So in the line number 5, it is a capital S. Let me rerun this. Boom. So you can see that, right? Instantly the file has been created, hello.pdf. Let me open this file. So before that, let me go to the folder and see I have a hello world.pdf here. And that's all. See guys, hello world, welcome to report lab. And in case if you want to modify this text, let me remove everything. Hello world, just give hello world. Okay, let me rerun this program again. So this will update the file whatever that we have created. So now open this PDF file. See guys, so we can see here, right? So this is how we can create PDF files in Python. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.